To begin our day, we got picked up by the coach outside Copthorne Hotel. When you book your trip, you can choose your pickup location from the list provided. Copthorne Hotel was only a few minutes walk from our Airbnb, so it was the most convenient location. We then enjoyed the scenery on the way to Milford Sound. It did take around 5 hours to get there, but there were rest stops in between. The coach also had free Wi-Fi and you were able to charge your phone using the charging ports located between seats. Two and a half hours after our departure, we arrived at Hollyfield Cafe, where you could buy something to eat, shop around, or use the bathroom. After 15 minutes, we got back on the bus until we reached our next rest stop 40 minutes later at Nobb's flat, where we got off and took some photos. After a short 10-minute drive, we arrived at Mirror Lakes, where we spent around 10 minutes exploring the area. Half an hour later, we had lunch provided by the tour. There was a chicken and cheese sandwich, a quiche, Freddo, cheese and crackers, an apple, a cookie, and a juice popper. We had our lunch on the coach while we made our way to Milford Sound. An hour and a half later, we arrived at the Milford Sound Cruise Terminal, where you could use the bathroom before boarding the cruise. Once we were boarded, we were finally able to enjoy the amazing scenery of Milford Sound. The weather at Milford Sound was quite rainy, which is the perfect weather to appreciate its beauty, as the rain creates these temporary waterfalls. The highlight of this cruise was being able to get close enough to this waterfall to be completely drenched by it. This is definitely something you don't want to miss. The cruise offers raincoats, so make sure you get your hands on one. And don't worry about missing this, as the captain will make an announcement. Just put your raincoat on and make your way out to the deck. We were told there were penguins here, but unfortunately I think we missed it. But that's okay because we got to see dolphins. That concludes the 2-hour cruise, which felt a little too short. We then went back on the coach to return to Queenstown. This fantastic tour was booked with great sights, which costed around $225 per person.